about all the possibilities and think about how amazing it is to be able to just put stuff on things. I've never wanted to do this until about 2.5 days ago. Business site already that we need to make things for, like uniforms, and we also have like a local shop in town that sells a lot of handmade items. Embroidery is just kind of like a specialty thing. I don't know how to sew. I've never done it before, but I've been researching it and it looks like a pretty good deal. I don't know how big it's going to be. I also don't know where to put it, but we're going to figure it out. He's waving at the people over there. So we just got it. You can see that humongo box right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll take better video. But the lady was really nice. She said she wanted to start an embroidery business and it didn't work out. She started to do something different. Anyway, we're in Chico and we don't know what else to do. I just fed him. He woke up from his little snoozer nap. And we're here with Dad. You saying bye-bye to the cars?
Right here.
That wasn't Dada. Take more footage when we get home and show you what it looks like. I don't know how to embroider or anything, so I don't know what to do about it, but it's a pretty cool machine. I think I saw it for 1 second. So yeah, we'll just update you. Stupid thing. It's a bird poop in my face. Okay, bye. So I just wanted to document, we're on our way back already from Chico. It's just too busy there. Apple Maps is making us go back a different way than we came, and I was trying to remember this saying that's like there's more than one way, and I thought it was there's more than one way to milk a cow. Is there more than one way to milk a cow? I think probably, but that's not the saying. And Joe was quick to inform me that the saying is there's more than one way to skin a cat. We'll be home in an hour, and the baby's a little upset about it, but he got better. He's over it. Okay, see ya. Made cookies, and now we're back here and we have the machine out and we just got it all set up, but we haven't embroidered anything yet, and so we're going to be hooping it and then testing out our first design. really hard, but we have a shirt now that says there's more than one way to milk a cow. It's pretty nice. I think we're gonna try out one more thing maybe. I don't know what else to say. It's currently 10:14 at night and we're just embroidering on our dining room table. So again, there's more than one way to milk a cow. And a little sailboat. I just wanted to explain something to you in case you didn't know, that this is like actually magical, because think about it. We use computers all the time, but like, do they ever make anything? Do they ever turn something into existence, into a physical embodiment? I don't think so. Embroidery is like the original 3D printer. Like, am I wrong? Like, it's a 2D printer, but like, it's pretty amazing. Think about how amazing it is to be able to just put stuff on things using a computer. Like, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm probably trying to justify buying a machine that does that, but it is pretty cool if you overcomplicate it. I've never wanted to do this until about 2.5 days ago. I'm just telling you, anything's possible. If you want to do something like this, you could try. I'll let you try it on my machine, probably. It's an amazing time we're living in. It really is. Okay, good night.